say na Senegal for all our more bono. Yeah, Ghana for the rest of my welcome sana.
Okay. Beda se pa eti Togoman one so the question no say Rafini African to be so and Ghana said the Senegal for so bo mo game I winter so pa Ghana ye betimi aye sabia na. Okay. 0536304072 0322296342 ye twen your last caller na ya twaso edi afio da bia so ati make 0536304072 0322296342 any question manyam last caller nice one. My goodness, one to me anyina so okay. Obesan so timi afre obesan so timi afre na ya hwe na quick ba ko bugala se ya tun tempa ene de is all about afcon nko a ene ye ba be hwe na ye di ho enso enkom. Okay ebuga
yes sir
yes nipa ne friend was so akate na o hwe na iru ofi ne question no
okay
okay mama samu akwaba bi
opani meje so
se bibia bokodi
yes okay se na dom ahoden osoro pa na bi opani
ida twede mponya ko pass pa
when you say na wo kan na dey so about the afcon
yeah
the professor ka se be niam yi a Africa and no start time na ye gbo no
ma me mfa me last quarter yintie question no hello me ba chodu ma bia ka safi
Prof Barnabas
okay Barnabas ma mintie we
ni edi kan Oba Afcon match say na anasa abo awmawene ene ni omolisu
na Sadio Mane eba Afcon how many matches ene anasa abo awmawene no malisu
me pa try
okay
ena amalege no mo bo how many matches ena aka how many matches
nese eno ye anas okay
for them no okay
anasa
how many matches so na aka
o se matches na aka
yeah
okay
okay o chere say since Sadio Mane ba Afcon no how many matches na anasa for ba o ma wene ene do malusu ene how many matches ene anasa for bo e wo league num na since na aka how many matches o ma bo how many matches ene aka how many matches hey Barnabas okay buga
yes sir
eti ene yanya ye tre college
so yanya tre college nti ene wa wanya akonya ma
yes
na me aduma yes
osanso akonya
yeah Monday Tuesday and then Friday
yes
nti
ene divisa question
ye be di mu duma to ko ba we are very fine prof ne dey so about Afcon
yeah
you say dey akogu nti say ba bia no no say na am say La Liga for na hwe dey ni La Liga for the moment o bo Barcelona ni sada dey na Afcon so gina so
yeah no kwasa ko Facebook a na Afcon nko a
yes na wa
Afcon nko a tino le nyasem ketwa
serious
eti we no yen shira nko ni gede ADBN start follow to Facebook for videos no okay o dey come first stories in babeda ivia in the videos na to so na ya hwese de enema enso ebetumi akonti buga
yes sir
o brother that Facebook no so no
chairman
chairman obi bisa say coach we o say na your friend say
eh what you mama no and what attention na
yes not attention no what
obi na head TV
yeah try TV so
aduma na dey
yes no aduma na dey pa
Afcon final
yes Afcon final
now Danela you grab na say bigger stage no over you cry semi final ni jabi tuya tron dey hanom no dey
yes
o say bo station vie o sa bebre
omo sanso ball final
yes
ti one to niam ya waso be o consider away team na say o consider host nation
yes
enti no na nyasem keto kwa ne jana twato na game na no wati enti champion Ayera Free and a Facebook no so nti ye be ho enemy finance one to say na yen start anything common yen twese nema enso ebetimi akontabusu na ye tiela na yen hwe na yemfa ayechese dwumade enso entwa so na ene samo mo Facebook no ayem My Liberty FM on Facebook My Liberty FM on Facebook na kyese yenhwe sɛde enema enso etie enso ho na sawhwa enema nso timi kwaso ye pa ya sawhwe eye games ya enso timi to dwa no yenya omoye fe Senegal ena omuti wini after tournament now yenya team of the tournament na say Africa Cup of Nation team of the tournament enso etimi etodwa yenya panti a ye fe edu amanti ena omose ne performance no enso ekonkai wo so timi da goal post no enso this aye AFCON edua menti ena eda goal post as a goalkeeper best goalkeeper the tournament panti a ye Achraf Hakimi enso ebetimi aja red backer onso mutimi you know ye of omaye ayechese Morocco yenya panti f ayechese ajai f Nigeria and a panti f pass enso for Nigeria etwe aye defensive na se 5-5 almost a petty match pantia ye f Masraoui enso sia kente montima ye f ayechese Morocco ayo omona shatem no enso petty from left na se left back or yenko fifie aye pantia ye f Brahim Diaz almost the performance na aye super apantia ye f Idris Gana Guy enso be jam fifi and apantia f Atimola Lukman enso petty from left na chese ne manso timi akoyi entem fifio aye Brahim Diaz Idris Gana Guy and apantia fero Atimola Lukman na omunso peti meli di attack na apantia ye f Mohamed Salah and apantia fero Sadio Mane petty from left na apantia f Salah petty for right na apantia fero ayo chese Victor Osimhen enso chese animo no bogos pasa we aye Africa Cup of Nation ayo team of the tournament and say sentima betodwa and ametewa some enso tamao ayo twemade so enya second next one ATP photo so na yenkwarim enso twemade so say and Jumadi enso koye na enije otim senema nso timi koye pa na godi face ayo my first Senegal womya gold medals and on my first Morocco eto sumino enya silver medals yenya my first Nigeria eto sumya sa womunso etim recording eche so mtimnya eche so bones ema ne manso timi koye etiwe ayo top 3 teams ya ewo 2025 ayo AFCON etimi totwa and ametewa some enso it is Senegal first, Morocco second, and Nigeria third. Anyway, I kakra. And so our this ending. It is up to the next one. ATP photo so na interested in my echo. I will Jumadi so enya sanketaka. And then enya sanketo dinner so kumo. Otim se Jumadi on a pay passa. Na economy and so na benso timia kama best player of the tournament. A bunch of Sadio Mane. Na Sadio Mane and Southcha ne football career watch AFCON aye to watch AFCON 2 times and you see now so the year 2021 or J and 2025 was so kama at Jama Senegal now watch Premier League now the year 2020 watch Premier League now FA Cup so the year 2022 and so FA Cup and the League Cup so the year 2022 watch Bobo for Liverpool UEFA Champions League now the year 2019 what with Liverpool a Super Cup what 2019 we Bobo ye for Liverpool team now and 2019 what FIFA Club World Cup now Omekaya the year 2023 a bunch of Sadio Mane at the German Bundesliga with a Bayern Munich now and a Tima the first Bayern Munich one and almost so team DFL and Super Cup and so dinas and sinaso and such a 2022 na social na ACC Cup and so 2023 almost so jing and the Australian Australian League so the year 2014 after started football and so Timothy and that is a 2024 and that's a 2014 was City Australian Cup and the Ocean there's a ribbon so Timmy Koyepa at about Pantia your first Sadio Mane and we a Travis a number of Travis a bunch of Sadio Mane and so Satimiaka I watch as a football career and I'm a tower some and so Tiatuka I want to money the next way now you said cinema and so pay Timiako I want to money so but me fun to down for more sen and they social counters almost so ultimate at bonsa now say almost 80 no Nigeria etimi AFCON omo quoted emakomako etese 9 times enso Ivory Coast akọ 4 Egypt akọ 3 Zambia and the third position AFCON 3 times Algeria third position AFCON 2 times Cameroon and so temi the third 2 times DR Congo and the third 2 times Mali and the third 2 times South Africa and the third and so to say 2 times Burkina Faso 1 Ethiopia 1 Ghana 1 Morocco 1 Sudan 1 and the Tunisia and so atimi akọ 1 etwe and so it's a third position so we winning bronze and so Africa Cup nation and I met one some and so tia to twa e wo twemode so a anyansa ketakatwe and so some akra e fo pa met one some no and so tia to twa e wo twemode so the way fun to come for more sen Renu a ranking Nese a best player this AFCON TB Toka na need the way a first thing Nese 10 best ranking Brahim Diaz from where ya for HSM or my Morocco a Victor Osimhen F Nigeria the second a bunch of Atimola Lukman F Nigeria a third Alas Nwobi F Nigeria a fourth Kevin Bussey F Nigeria 5th and a 6th Arabantia Yef Ahmad Diallo F Ivory Coast Mohamed Salah F Egypt 187th 8th I Sergio Money Omar Mamouche F Omar French Egypt what the 9th and a bunch Yef Yassine Bonou F Morocco 180 it is a tough and twin just after AFCON we a best 10 players this AFCON and so TB Toka and I met one some and so Diamao I will tremendous so anyansa nketaka na mami nkwen na mi ko spring kakra na mi sanso papa to HSA Morocco na Enidien Spanish Copa del Rey quarter final draw and so TB Toka na see and a quarter final stage in ST Real Madrid omu enkofo wamu boss tima yef Albacete na Albacete wome shetima yef FC Barcelona na enema so time kama Alaves ebesha Real Sociedad yepenya Valencia ome shetima yef Atletico Bilbao na Real Betis ebesha tima yef Atletico Madrid etwe and so a teams ya almost so better me compete our quarter final our Spanish Copa del Rey and I'm telling some and so tomorrow at Albacete I will Jumaya Womi Martin Efimo and says so much sense to question pasa and your better said anema and so petty me a quarter motima yef Albacete and the enemy for Nelson to swear na yenkwemisa na yenhwese tenema enso epetimi akọ enso na enema nso mfanto panfra na enema nso entiwie pe na we ne eta Facebook no so we aya bantia ye fer aya chese we aya Brahim Diaz na Brahim Diaz ye mfanto twase aya chese penalty ya manfo eka wasem wase ono ankasaro wase oye sorry to aya Morocco wase na chese nemomno ayo bona okobona saro was intentionally was wo sheda sanse na ho mpese tournament ne sai sanse enkoko shea enka isenke ka samofo enka monfo bekas ai ana Morocco 14 chim HSC ka fosa ana o makochi HSC AFCON etwo sheda ana bota penalty no ama punche edro mede enso ekoche no etwi aya punche a ye fem Brahim Diaz ensema wano nso HSC woni tutwa awo tese eno penalty a wano nso eti koba nemom no wo pa Morocco foina wo pa obi ataw nemom na intentionally se awose wotimi kobota penalty no na tese ne wanso timi kwese bea bibia enso ntimensi eti Brahim Diaz ana wode sansem tutwa mete wasam enso tema next one foto so na yenkwanime na yenhwese de enema enso petimi akọ na after ayi tournament no we ayi koki na se top scorer Sabantia ye fe Brahim Diaz wano energy koki watch 5 goals Victor Osimhen Esha 4 goals Mohamed Salah Esha 4 goals Ademola Lookman Esha 3 goals Ahmad Diallo Esha 3 goals Abancha Ayub Akabi Ayub Akabi once Esha 3 goals apɔnte fɛrɛ mares ɛhyɛ 3 goals apɔnte fɛrɛ ɛte sɛ lasin sinayoko ɛhyɛ 3 goals na apɔnte a yɛfɛ papi guy ɛnso ɛhyɛ 3 goals ɛntiwi ɛyɛ top scorers ɛwɔ Africa Cup nation ɛti goalkeeper no ɛna apɔnte fɛn pɛrɛ Chelsea a wɔhyɛ ɛyɛ 5 goals ɛnso ɛtiwi ɛyɛ AFCON ho nsɛm no ɛna mɛ diɛ tuta fɔlɛnso nto so na yɛn kɔnɛ fa videos no ɛnso ɛfɔ mi na yɛn hwɛ sɛ tɛnɛma ɛnso ɛkɔ ɛnso no a bibi ɛnso pɛ tìmi ɛkama na ɔmi nfa ntutwa n'ano ɛnu after game no ɛna apɔnte fɛ Akon wɔn ɔyɛ artist ɔyɛ ntoni yɛn ntoni a kyɛ sɛ ɔmo ɔwɔ ɔmo a yɛfɛ USA na mmom no ɔfɛ Senegal ɛnu after game ɔkɔhyɛ abante a yɛfɛ ɛkyɛ sɛ abante a yɛfɛ Nicolas Jackson ɛnso bɔdaba so wɔsɛ mo akɔnkɔden mo yɛ adwuma mo hyɛ Senegal mo hyɛ animonyam yie paa ɛma nneɛma ɛnso atemi akɔ yie ɛntiwei ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ ɛnsɛm a ɛkɔ ɛnso temi kakyɛ abante a yɛfɛ no ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ abante a wɔn yɛfɛ no ɛkyɛ Nicolas Jackson ɛna mɛtɛ wɔn asɛm ɛnso te atotwa ɛwɔ dwuma de sɛ next one ɛdi mi fa to so na yɛnkɔ no mɛ na ɛno a after Senegal ɔmo nso tɛmɛti ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ ɔmo tɛmɛti ɛyɛ AFCON ɛde sɛ ɔmo na so na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo pɛ so 9% youngest person ɛwɔ kyɛ sɛ Africa ɔpɛni a yɛfɛ ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ Bisoro Jamayi Faye wɔn ɛne ɔmo mpɛni ɛde ma ɔmo a yɛfɛ ɛyɛ Senegal wɔsi ɛne dua ɛyɛ national holiday ɛde ma Senegal fo ɛti ne Senegal ɛne ɛyɛ holiday ɛne sɛ ɔkɔma mu a bankers ɔmo ankɔ adwuma ɛkyɛ sɛ teachers ankɔ adwuma students ankɔ adwuma tɔmo a wɔn nso holiday ɔmo nso ɛfɔtɔm no ɛnɛ obi ankɔ adwuma amanfoɔ tie sɛ mmɔntere so mesi sɛ ne sɛ sɛ wokɔ Senegal ɛnya nsa nketewa ho wotɛm sɛ ɛne dede mumuma a kyɛ sɛ ɔmo twi ɔman mu no ɛgye tuato yi paa yɛ Senegal te sɛ wɔyɛ dadadada wotɛm sɛ ne gye akyɛ si kurom no ɛnya nsa nketewa the last time wɔkyeɛ ɛyɛ 2021 ɛna 2025 edition ɔmo san so akyi ɛde ɛsɛm na so ɔmo yɛ adwuma yi paa ɛtuwe ɛyɛ kakra ɛfura paa mɛtɛ wɔasɛm ɛnso te atotwa fa ne nso nto so na yɛnhwɛ sɛ tɛnɛma ɛnso ɛpɛ timi akɔ ɛwɔ twemadeɛ so na ɛnora sɛ wotwɛ sɛ te ɛnneɛma so kɔyɛ a na ɛha adwen na baabi a na wotim sɛ yɛ coach ɛte ma ɔmo a yɛfɛ Senegal na wɔne abante afa Ashraf Hakimi na te sɛ ɔmo akɔhyia na ne samanfo ɛnso no ɔti wobɛhu Ashraf Hakimi ɛna coach ɛte ma ɔmo a yɛfɛ Senegal mehu Rafi no ɛnso hɔ na kyɛ sɛ Rafi kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm ɛde akyerɛ ɛyɛ coach a wɔgyam ɛte ma ɔmo a yɛfɛ ɛyɛ Senegal ɛti coach ne ka kyerɛ Senegal president sɛ masa obiara every park nso nkɔ dressing room na sɛ pɛlɛpɛlɛ pɛyɛ mmɔbie ɛnso ɛtumi ti si ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ game no ɛti ɛno akyɛ masa nsɛm a ɛsisi wɔ this game no na ɛnya sɛkɛtɔ ɛni bi fa next mfoyin ma meɛ na yɛnte wo nkɔmmɔ no ntwɛ sɛ deɛ ɛnneɛma nso bɛtumi akɔ na Chelseafoɔ sɛ daabi wei ɛwɔ sɛ Chelseafoɔ bom na ɔmo nso ɛtumi congratulate kyɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ congratulation ɛnso tumi ba apɔnte a yɛfɛ ɛsɛ Mamadou Sarr ɛyɛ Chelsea lɔɔli player eti ɛyɛ Chelsea ɛbɔ abɛnten aba so kama sɛ ɛnɛma kɔnkɔnten paa wɔyɛ adwuma ɛnso tɛmɔtɛm a yɛfɛ ɛyɛ Chelsea wɔn bɔ abɛnten a yɛfɛ ɛyɛ Chelsea Nicolas Jackson wɔn bɔ aba so sɛ wɔso yɛ Chelsea lɔɔli ɛtɛmɔtɛm a yɛfɛ ɛhyɛ Bayern Munich stay wɔyɛ Chelsea player ɛyɛ Chelsea ɛbɔ aba so na Chelsea ɛsan so bɔ mu two former players abɛnten a yɛfɛ ɛduro Mendy ɛna abɛnten fɛ no ɛhyɛ Kalidou Koulibaly eti Chelsea ɛwɔ two former players a ɔmo tɛmɛ gye this ɛyɛ Chelsea trophy ɛna ɔmo two current players a ɔmo nso ɛyɛ Chelsea no list abɛnten fɛ Nicolas Jackson ɛna abɛnten a yɛfɛ Mamadou Sarr ɛno nso ɔmo tɛmɛ bɔ mama so a ɛnima ɛnso tɛmɛ kɔ yie paa eti wei ɛyɛ kakra efura pa ɛnibi fa video sɔrɔ mi na afei yɛn tietie nsɛm na yɛn hwɛ sɛ deɛ nneɛma nso kɔyɛ ɛwɔ ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ tournament no na biribiara nso etim yɛ kama na Sadio Mane nso na kyɛ sɛ after tournament no opani a oyɛ coach ɛnkyɛn mu ɔman a yɛfɛ Senegal na opani a fɛ ntia o nso ɛkɔ opani a fɛ no ɛkyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ Sadio Mane ka kyerɛ sɛ bɛrima wɔkɔnkɔne congratulation yɛbɔ ɔba so you were too leader wɔse wɔyɛ adwuma yie pa ne mmom no okotin komo sen after the tournament no enye de beto ubo adwuma entema Senegal national team pm enti openia oyi coach entema omoye first Senegal se Sadio Mane ensanso dwo mienu se okaso okwa epara twie pa enti perfect yao enu openia first Sadio Mane ede jano Sadio Mane kasa se uye leader, you are a true leader and to don't leave us alone. Eti osuwon toso mo adwuma emfoma eye Senegal national team no na enema enso entemi nkoye eti wei eye sema eye papetiao coach entema Senegal wo mo national team no na metewa sam enso temao ewo twimode so enya sanketo afi yenkwe videos no front so na yenhwe setedema enso epetimi akwa enya sanketo kraiti enua na enya sanketo mepato piaso na hwe na menhwe eye video kwana yenhwe sere ne beso konti start videos no na yentemu nkomo na yenhwe sede enema enso ekoye ewo ayecheso tournament na etimi totwa ensempi obstacles more enso ene team titisimu a na otimi satene ha twie pa na otimi tise na tise game no na ewo se enema so koso rafiro ena enka wo se enema enbi financial mame na menhwe next one no na yenhwe sede enema enso ekoye enya seketo kontibuga afi bemwe na yenhwe videos na yenhwe ensema enso etimi tudwa hana na Sadio Mane enso FF players no se obi amranti yenti sound akadi bi sasema me na yenti sound enso from abantia ye Sadio Mane na yenhwe sede mase ko enso wonti na nya seketo ka enya seketo pa ni bi yes
easy easy
yes
Sadio Mane, two great men with Africa. Yes. I wonder what that conversation was, but it was probably you got to get them back out here. We can't have it end like this from Claude Leroy.
Yeah, I mean Sadio was not gonna go inside there. He made up his mind that he's gonna stay on the pitch, and I think that if every team have to work off the pitch because of the bad decision in this tournament, then some of the team will left the AFCON long time ago. So we cannot just base our football on one decision of a referee.
I mean, this is something you can never forget if you saw it.
Yes,
of course you can't, and also it helps us all because he's got so much respect from his peers. He has won everything, and he's a superstar. And in his behavior, in his demeanor, he's the one that still stays on the pitch. Look at.
Whoa, eti we kwaya commentators no.
Sure.
E discover banche fin Sadio Mane. Indeed, what you say we leader.
Yeah, true.
And you important captain Edema Senegal national team.
Captain for Senegal Khalidi Koulibaly.
Yeah,
on the captain, but no there. You know, still Nana, it is again and a bono.
Yes.
But the moment I the cap on Pija Trend and Omodima Sadio Mane. I'm expecting a lot.
Yes.
So but the moment I issue now, no way chili party, little Obano. And I like your friend.
Yeah.
So more mebo.
Sure.
And the way I no crano, not a one trips of a more mabo. The moment I say the overcraft and one check.
Yeah.
According to Channel, the camera confirm I've been that.
Sure.
No confirm boys in Naba.
Yes.
And the way and you want to send over by beer. And the last AFCON Sunday, Chama will leader.
Yeah. But coach Lina Kasasa was now Nyabo Trekakra.
Sadio Mane.
Yeah, yes. So Nyabo.
On say, Sunny, we are sending a tio, Kau, Ufrimu, a brand
Nipa
Hapani.
Yeah.
It's so good and be called PGA. Then be like a champion for so now was a watching Sikano. Uma pajama woko. Wow. Sana dia wajeba londo.
Yes.
Into where they are with ya. Say, Oman for crap pata when says so we mobo nebo my. Yes. But you will be most one. Yeah, Puma Pamu.
Any for next one to say. Na fa next one to na yenhwe. Says Sadio Mane kodin kobo. Okay. Trophy ni ahano aye time na omo represent trophy no. Enso ediama aye chese team no. Na enya senketo kra ma menhwe se menya sound ne wahano ma. Na yenhwe se enema esekoide ma aye moya ye fen chese Senegal. Okay. Edibi afi start ma me start that video ma me ye start na yemfa sound no enso ene match nti bugasi ne sekoye enti presentation.
Leaders getting out to Moroccan world football to pass the trophy to the captain, Koulibaly, a man who is a part of a team that makes history and makes a statement out in Morocco after an unbelievable tournament. It's their second final in North Africa.
Liberty FM.
2 goals it is for them, led by 2 coaches now from Senegal. Keeping in mind, for Coach Thiaw, he has won the Chan tournament to Senegal. He's now led Senegal to the African champions in an AFCON. We'll see Mane alongside Koulibaly, but quite rightly Mane, especially after the drama of the evening, lift the trophy. And the 35th edition of Africa's premier international showpiece sees Senegal crowned African champions after drama, entertainment, and some lessons to be learned from just a life perspective at the end of it all. But what a showpiece, what a tournament it's been, and our hats off not only to them for winning this tournament, we also take our hats off to the nation of Morocco that's hosted an unbelievably good Cup of Nations, with those that have turned out, turning out to be over 1,200,000 all in all, an average of over 24,000, just under 25,000 a match.
Whoa, 80 the channel. At this moment, we got the vampire. This moment, and then some
people can no cry now. Say that Ben again. Oh my goodness. You was somebody poor. You was somebody papa. No. Very sad.
Very sad.
Ghana you didn't pay 1982.
1982.
Very bad.
Money couldn't come up. 80 before Sadio Mane. Yeah, meda edel computer for some voice in mommy. For some video to swami say after say omuje meda presented trophy in the moment. Sadio Mane kodi in command buga tewa so pa so be chirim we oka French into be chirim eti yenti Sadio Mane after game no enkoma won so etimi edie
sifflé contre vous en toute fin du temps réglementaire. Vous êtes sorti réglementaire, vous êtes sorti. Qu'est-ce que vous êtes dit et comment vous êtes revenu très fort pour la prolongation?
Ouais, je pense que ça a été beaucoup de litiges. Moi personnellement, je pense qu'il n'y avait pas de pénalty, mais si l'arbitre décide le pénalty, il n'y a pas de problème. Je pense que le football est ainsi fait. Il y a des choix qui sont justes, qui sont pas justes. Il n'y a pas de problème. Je pense que le plus important pour nous maintenant, c'est de continuer à jouer. Je pense que j'ai demandé à tout le monde voulait sortir. J'ai demandé l'avis à Claude. Et bien sûr.
Parlez-nous de cette rencontre, c'est assez exceptionnel en fait.
Ouais, vous savez.
Discussion entre Claude et
pour revenir. Quand j'ai vu Claude, je me suis dit que c'est la personne idéale à demander parce que voilà, il y avait Mamadou aussi. J'ai demandé à Claude en premier, je dis qu'est-ce que tu penses? Le maire il m'a dit il faut jouer. Je me suis dit que là j'ai demandé à Mamadou aussi, il m'a dit pareil. Et là Diouf aussi m'a dit pareil, donc je suis allé amener tout le monde. J'ai dit que les gars, on s'en bat les coups quoi qu'il arrive. Maintenant il faut.
Eti wey enkoma Sadio Mane oronso after game no oronso ekodia na otimi say yes enya sam ketwakra enema enso etibi koye pa ewo this particular tournament edima Sadio Mane buga na wo say
yes sir professor on the din komo na obusa ne say e debe nti na omunyina yes o mbobo no bi no nkwa de o so wonte ase
yes
e na o kire mu se wiase ni na hwe o ka se maadi na se nura ye kweseda Dimash e di na maadi na Jordan ne bebo ana dabi e ba ne sa na nim gwase aba eni papi na betwa hwe yen enti se ne ye kura Africa ye ni din papa mpo ha abrofo ya no mo sere yen di sa na be ye di ya o se etraso ne ye bo ti de ma ye bo ye no enti no you are not perception, on intention when you said be a ma and Mugasebe kind.
Wow.
Tina man, Koanisano.
Nice one. Buga, Medasipa. Na ADB video ba konso of Fernando Tosmami. Na yeti edonsona yes antivino pause na yen shase kama na yenti ensema wensu edetuja. Buga epeya beni.
This a gonna gay.
Akwada way.
Yes.
Paul
Antonio Nadia
yes.
Still young.
Still young. Yes. Yenchen some after game no Idrissa ensu edetuja.
Difficult
difficult because we was confused. We scored a goal, we whistle, and then we give them penalty. We wanted to stop the game because for us it wasn't possible. And then Sadio Mane speak to us, and then we come and Allah give us this victory because Allah is not sleeping and Allah see everything. But first of all, we want to thank the Morocco organization because everything was perfect. We were in the good condition. The pitch was good. The event was wonderful, and everyone was watching. Everyone see what happened today and what happened before. But we thank God for this victory.
Yeah, and it must be extra sweet when all of that happens with a penalty. It looks like an easy penalty, and you still win. How are you going to celebrate?
Because we deserve it. We deserve it. We deserve it. So now we just want to celebrate with our country and with our family.
Okay, eti we Idrissa Gana guy si Academy Paris Saint-Germain PSG ena one so edi ensewe enso todwa eti diatia no edi bi asa maame huna yenhweda buga mfam papa mu no enso entwa so asa. Okay buga, yes sir, Idrissa enso edi sem todwa yes bi wo kana bro for
eni jaba eni abushafo nyina iko kabom ne yize Morocco oba far away to North Africa na be cup na kono de ade enwanwa yes akwada we de maka em say me sabi titia for bi bobo chepa yes because we have ball bi ani mfie na duru the last half komu je na o kan ho but still for them kwada na sadia boy ni due to Mr. Wansa memo ukrum we very fit strong pa yes
but one picture we da we at Facebook or so yes omo enuma omo de ma this picture dey na enwu we no ho me be say wuti na wo chichirim because it means something echire bibi nti mama hwe say meti manya sound nana yintie.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my
Liberty
destiny. I have waited patiently.
Okay, eti
when you read the
yes
and you cry and some wompa
I say anyway no most at times no your boy edema will be a no here be an saka so on say also what train yes what train yes anyway you said the guy from us about the mom hey Ghana and I am 2021 yes the guy from us about the mom I'm found to that TV I don't yes it you got my main na before se meti ono ma me mo bombo aboafo no so mra
okay
we are na it is when enough time na just how they can insult me na the chance yes questions okay any answer questions na mame so we questions na me dey I just aboafo so to me atwa
kayaso kiremu se o se referee do ye no ya na yet opening the omni say referee no there are certain decisions be na sen koye bold enti sa wo hwe omudi kan shego wanye enti wo hwe the final one man kwaje penalty rebe hu ni say aseba ne sa na osisi Senegal for no na ball na nka say kan was prof say drew bigger stage say ya incident bi wo ho ayenje because na assume we say cover extra time
say in case incident ne happen
na say reality to be happen there but no wadi kan ama Senegal for na ko omutimi ko attack ndia ye kwa ko chena nya west so foul
the tennis ball no na a penalty na
it was a clear penalty
on a normal circumstance
it was a clear penalty
yenyan say ebia na ball na yen kan say na time no time na banya wi na ade
oh that ball there probably it was a penalty because o hwe senetiti na won say ball na eba and o decided so obeso player na wato na twene
yes
but na incident be bre sisi wo mu a na onje
okay
that's the issue o say ball na there se bibi si na ogina bibi to obi a obi oje ha obi a why fair but game na nkasa pese na referee no na tension wono so kaka ti gara games o man na so games ne course no san ko jeje bi mu a anka obi a ne ni problem but ebi mu a wo jai ade ma Morocco for say muna mo deserve mo fa ball no nko no Senegal for the nko ada history no no mo say that be opani opekwan be dia fa so because that's how it is and sanka we no clear penalty ka Senegal for no be jatum but be so happy one farmer wo mu 3 months kwasi ye no tipo atete we fini de na from de o ye ba me de ye ka se yi ni modern bo pa de a me ka se ya me nu kwanu ade na wo fom pa ogu wa fi for do no ni mase and Professor Obiso Fre was say of DR Congo the friend Jean-Jacques Ngambo from DR Congo na Obisa busa say na Ghana betimi abo sa abo na bia na opane di omuni say Ghana team na won say sia na de sa ball we yentimi mobi but baby atwa mo no de na step na pia mo ne Asian asamoja mo ne de na your mentality ana ye de boss a ball we bi we determine game e ball a ye boss e de kwadi cap
so I don't know Ghana in team because say asamoja mo era na twam na we mu so omo era ni nti omo ne we mu nyina level e yepe nti I don't think Ghana na could that stage na ke yentime mo
Professor the omuni say your mentality a ye wo players na nkasa ye kwase compare Senegal Ghana a place here. She said, "Man, look at him fear. What you have come on man you?" But when he games, I heard him say, "What two once he was say obekuno." Other na kwa kwenti no.
But the moment ya buga, the moment ya obeti me aba kodu final na de. Obi dey mentality no.
Ona say e be dey koduru ho.
Senke so send ni pari bisa.
Na wanjire ho so be dey koduru.
Ni pari bisa say senka Ghana. Yemfa say Ghana kodu that level. Ghana can Senegal against a Morocco. Your team out ball from group stage to round of 16 to quarter final to semi final to final. That type of mentality now a Senegal for you. Buga. Who could one call me?
That mentality you need to say. Some mentality at the final. Ghana say place away you need. Sasta na pia mo fighting spirit no. Ese mo fighting sule muntari mu a emoja tu mu na akwa no mo de bo shot no. You need be. Tipo opening wasam you say Ghana yet be more that final we be. Ko money born wo form. Na bona ba so say o say Sadio Mane since o free Anasef yes o mo 4 matches na Anasef for alusu mi sanwe ne ba ko pe na no ya get Al-Shabaab no mbo 3-2 or from pa yes na no emse ba ko so ha yes na match ma say o ma we ne 3 so o mo lusu 3 no ma we ne ba ko pe na o say matches sen o mabo Professor Omubo 34 games 34 matches near Omubo
that's
league matches now
20 teams
yes Omubo 34 matches na say same no ka say Omubo 15 matches and Omubo na is aka 19 na o hwe table na Al Hilal ne dikan 41 points the Otosi no Al Nassr 34 points and a difference of 7 points initially we na the topic
that's on the topic
say Hilal for na 41 Al Nassr 34 nti sana de netie ti say Ronaldo na ye kan ka fi di obeje no ade na mfa
asaje gon
the so far Professor questions and answers no am say the bisiwa
okay Milasi Party KIT solution Airton phones Opay iPhone 17 iPhone SR 11 iPhone 12 Pro iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max Samsung Infinix and Tekno me ba cha sa Opay bia onsa ebetimi aka and okay IT aye solution o dwena se na dwena se no on mekom and so the din hwene mo o GP at for bidin ma 0T4540 4140 only KIT solution any enkomo Farmac agrochemicals eton etesa kuafo honema entinese oye kwania aya kwe na kopa kuafo honema ensoto e Farmac agrochemicals eti ye kwati aye solo machine tire machine Samsung matabi machine with this poison me ba cha kuafo honema no from krenken to krankan aye Farmac agrochemicals ene ye kwakwodi enso momienko aye dwinase o anwiem kwantemponso woni Matcom Plaza ene di enhwede mo 054824 73 21 054824 73 21 0553 69 38 835 one Farmac any enkomo amuka percent water carpet papa 80 obekwa kope carpet ato 80 adansiam niema anase edemo sesem niema de adiri sese demo efe amo carpet and American for enso tema red carpet waters fortas wall panel wardrobe bed sheet me bacho on sabe tema kabi center table on sabe tema kabi enso amo carpet enso asoye na green glass carpet on sabe tema kabi sasa red carpet on sabe tema kabi so amo carpet a our journal saying our Matcom Plaza 043 22 99 24 043 22 99 24 one amo carpet any komo tetelestan eto matches entine super matches atwa tetelesta and American for enso tama open home use matches store use matches open queen or king size on sabe to make a double matches on sa every to make a open plastic chairs open mini plus and the power matches and I say a students matches on sabe to make a enso tetelesta the tense autumn forest chairs and office chairs Samsung or what I say pillows and so Matcom Plaza and a tetelesta 054688 9111 or tetelesta enso enin kamo na enema enso enye kama enso enfamai 80 de tie enso no yewo samis enu nso eya dura eti amanfo chese tiamanfo yalete yepa 80 ene yalepe oso bia samis fighter heba michele capsule so me pacho aya ko pebi yiso na enema enso entimi enko ye enso enfamao openu bia ofakisi ba Philomena Fosia yanko aye Sewinzarua or boy chemicals on Summit Mekabin 0T44 71 85 57 one Sames enso ending komo na bia so entimi enye kama 18 wemuso mo amuso asene Bugatti.
Yes, opening
mamintie.
Yes, but that's Professor so far you betray the Afcon course na Africans yes wade pa nyamwa say Jose Mourinho the legend edema Chelsea wo hwe adwuma abayama Chelsea wiase ina anim no na o kan say Africa your talent wo hapa na emom say ye ya twen say gaye ni besia kan ma ye man ya anka World Cup aye koi anka se me be di kama men ko dwenase na men cha peseba yes ofani ma men cha mi say ahoden wo soro pa na men kan na enu na ma hu se nka say ye ni besia kan ma ye man ya anka we ka sem bi ani wo pet do na ayo madwe say ye be natural azama county for but I think Nura was the final day. But so Senegal are going to the game now baby now when say Morocco for decided say tournament na ye kono a must win and omune hosti so man be host to a tournament one sikasem bibia omune finance ntia na ekabo wom nti obo kan ko ade o so ultimate yield some resource enti no ade na e kwan bia to say Morocco for intimifa omo cap and don't forget say since 1976 50 years money onye cap da the last time about semi-final final was the year 2004 when Tunisia forced energy into who is away there ya hosting kwani ye beje but antima manisa na ocho Morocco mina nana make us me kire say ocho 2022 squad no muri call for the World Cup no it seems there are certain players omu abombo na wi anisa and to move call with the different players. That's how a football is here. Ubetmenya new generation or squad but kuta better than Ghana 2010 new Asian more your asamo Germany Sasile Muntare mumu Ghana generation nya this is one final results a bedding. So the next year 2-3 years over saying we over Casa Belgium we're having Sako Twa money Hazard mo other players Lukaku nyina agina best to o mentima mobra semi for no mudu ye 2018 World Cup we Morocco mana no muni say generation no mu sha for the World Cup no ama bat no na himu no omu no mu bu omu kakra no omu fadi out ntia say we mu ne de omu trust me to make trophy bi dia ma o my defense Morocco bet football ne de sanity e obetuma decide but unim or man had the question mentality or deba and don't forget the Senegal for decided say omuso afwan ye bay yes you said trust may be kakra because the last time I Cote d'Ivoire no ye nuru baby an ye bo yen and you say trust with me so aye bibi and nwada no and o hwe nipa be 70 something thousand spectators chanting dede o Senegal for nipa kakra bi somehow be football no dey it's all about the mentality idea wo trim no some person me dey no and no say we call and they who dey see ndra so what be say Sadio Mane going to the game or the tuja say ono onyabo afko we wi a or the see anunti ekwa bia so eso otraso betima GBB e dia man man Salaka the same thing be Salaka tiranye semi final okodi fourth okokotena fie but ade bako obo Senegal for ne say they decided say I was here to make this tournament and etora bia uhia youthful exuberance uhia players a omunso gira omunso eno na tell how a Senegal team net here now I'm sure list of players as Senegal for the depart with this final now na me ho adwire me na mo say Ghana ye wo kwantwa because one so you be say Eduardo Mendy on the player the last time Oja for no can be for now or 33 years no problem keep a crowd here obetuma dark obe 40 years obiti say Idrissa Gana Gueye or no made for than here can answer me for now or 36 years and then Sadio Mane or 33 years we munim panimfo a and almost start your most and get him omu kwan nipa miensa pe and almost started nora omumfie no wosoro aside that nkwadan ketwa nkwan she obi say Antoine Madi ono obo number 2 or 21 years she obi say Mamadou Issa or Strasbourg no for now or 20 years other than pair with Niakate 2 center backs Musa Niakate in the nyini kakra 29 years and then obi say which is Malik Diop or also about left back 21 years to where say wa the one nyini kakra eye Musa Niakate 21 20 and then 21 so say yes and then course in case yenka say yen mobile on kure anymore professor no matter the kind of a former mind be what Senegal team no there emrante no nso gina mo so to mu hyewa waso be se now look at the method omo Lamine Camara osina ka de ma AS Monaco 5 midfielder or Jibola or Zakaria Kaboma prof you can't touch them and then well just short guy box to box yen ni ball no yen dictate the pace of the game yen fan he was the detector and then right now there Lamine Camara aside that your pop gay be able try come say pop gay no were very giant and bona ye kan wasem no place omo wa no dodo no ho a eya na muti no muta isu dodo no be pop gay and the thing go you see papa bia be ne nine no one midfielder was close or sans was short enye common so be no no share the only go look at baby or the ball no every by and baby or ball no to no enye the perfect foot where right footed player but no short or tie by no ya see mo no twi mo hwia na nyi look at how a midfielder o control ball no back me me sana o press ball that so for when age Lamine Camara no 22 years no Papi Gueye no 26 so look at the midfield it is ankwada me that brain and o meja ball no but this is your mapra so consistency here duma country ben na bit ma compete Senegal now look at the attack omu Elman Ndiaye o sina ka de ma Everton or just 25 years so be say Nicolas Jackson osina kan ma Bamuri Stoke Chelsea now 24 years so oba tournament we pona samfa yenim say or more years ahead and Jackson na kan asem no so ogba Bamuri kwan wanya ade a even opa na so gina mu edema Senegal enam so experience intino and no matter say unya no kwa because we player obetuma hawo no unya mu bia sa ade be Jackson down na ebe de say defender be ka same so no be common meja no because ono we obi a yemfie ni ntros be the moment obeja no obetuma cause a threat and aside that obi say Ibrahim Mbaye he's now 17 years osina kadma Paris Saint-Germain the moment akoda we movie out from the no muso for na Conference League nim we the Kobo national team no say there be member be sia kama man Senegal and the quite was a banter and after the France for the game edema Senegal for no 17 years na India e film na sa Ibrahim Mbaye e bamu no obeka say the omumi yenu na the same other comment utim say skills America take course everything was on point just 17 years look at the team of Senegal for the board and look at the another winger which is Ismail Assar Osina Kadema Crystal Palace Obeko he wasn't a starter not bench eti prof I think said this kind of a team ekuta Senegal there they are untouchable and omu more years ahead Senegal might not brave as a part because go to a time the year 2002 they went to the final against Cameroon na no more a golden generation omo Elhaji Diop omo Tony Silva omo Papa Bouba Diop omo Aliou Cisse omo Fadiga but no omo ntima ko manim so was it the time also mutunya results omo 4 finals the year 2002 the year 2019 the year 2025 and then next time so osha adeba ko ehu pa no say fan on beko bia no omu meet the North Africans and one thing ehu kakra so no but no ba ko pe no man for we no that was the year 2019 against Algeria they lost 1-0 Mahrez goal no but the year 2021 no who decided say o me Egypt Okay, I said it in the same thing. So 4 finals, they have won 2 and they lost 2. So it was Senegal man there. Professor, they have determined very well. Say, I feel your minus a Oba wife for now. I was a form muti and every. I was sorry what we say. Oh, quack or bobo no babu ye. Oh, can I want to say that about Mama Badia partner fear because players never caught this tournament in there. And your players are more pebble because Sadio Mane can't born a come once no what ball. Enya African best player of the year. Indeed, born one nina, and then no coach he can was say Sadio Mane free or money or free which is Saudi Pro League in Mono. Maybe one game be normal lose because Sadio Mane look at the impact, look at the deal or but still the willing spirit say what magic be a man or the amount or yeah. Edu Brebi now we go but song was a defender for Cameroon. Now Oprai on your stroke cry that among for no e catch and say oh he is the president it's him to Debbie. Oche adwuma go be song aye na o say do pani o man ni nyina bo no hoka ni agye ne nkwasi ho so if o sacrifice ma o man ya o say there will be a time o man be san so get back to you so what is Ghana still be e ka no kudus mo ba ne kutabola yenya mobi o je say manya mo ba no bo ne dia go naki o ye captain for Bilbao o ba ho mo hwe o je say ndi you say the me hu ye die Ghana adwuma because this kind of team ne die Senegal team they are very strong and on the side of the Moroccans Morocco for no so brepa because one so we say Yasin Bunu a dia or Sevilla and some move from the La Liga Echo the Saudi Pro League anymore. He has been consistent but Adebakwa ni hu ni say ka o say team we kuta omui anke tima or sanka mo result because omu so brepa we Morocco minor say any trophy party omu nya de even grow individually so mo players bit ma achievement bi o man ka sadia mo no omu ni bi so be kai say Over 1998 Penny Mustafa Haji, Edge African best player. Since then, the year 2025, and San Ashafa Kimi Babaji. So I just one individual awards no ground. Omunko, Eco Central, Eco Western, South Central, Mohon, but North Africa Honedia, Yana was central than Kopi. Now look at their defense now. What I say, Oje plays is Siakamo Mutimuma. Now compared to 2022 squad now. In such a pina and album. At the born idea, that's how the footballers. Se born obo. Na said Tom na benya best players no when team nya resource a obeko nim no na go for pina na film now we be say Samuel Nasri share Yusuf El Kabi the kind of chance I was say no what you say you bought this game we a game I bought for a trophy and the game I bought as a group stage so no dey be group stage no say o miss just a game about my go next game naja o nya 3 point but when there the moment I be win no e so team dey cap but look at chances are almost guarantee football na de bia ne ka no se unique o man bi isi akan na se unya chance no a lot na se wanti man convert na se opposite no eba beji a otimi de chew coach do na be kan ho asema kire se edebe ntina unya ball no se no o se na etefa so a ye bete dia show and one thing is so hard when say the moment Ibrahim Diaz epa to the Moroccan national team no the Atlas Lions no one thing I'm tell you say he was about to play for Omanye Efere say which is Spain. Na COVID-19 buy no na o senka Sergio Busquets eko bo edema ne ma which is Spain and na COVID-19 went me anko no for Ibrahim Diaz e ma ne ko replace no but the moment that COVID-19 ni twa mu a Sergio Busquets recover we no phone is there be what twen ya mfa kwara ibiem so na was a kwan bia so o si akan the Moroccans and expectations were very higher o share this kind of tournament ayeboya Yeri no he was the top scorer scoring 5 goals record and 60 something now Reverend Seko Fia set to no for now Ibrahim Diaz etima say recording na etadimo be for the Moroccans no it was phenomenal but dia can say in the final day no ahanu ne yehwe say obe naturalize ma ye no obe me DP and look at what happens and the controversy happen you know be and say we there all part because o see academy Real Madrid wa ye adwuma under Carlo Ancelotti Waye Zabi Alonso nti experience wise born no wakobulo nyina abati or experience no obi ani sebo we there only Edouard Mendy obe convert because so Edouard Mendy abakosemu a he's a goalkeeper on for ball o the moment opponent bedru so no na Chelsea phone this because he's a goalkeeper o de beto ho na obe convert but the woman say when na obetimadi ho adanse se bia by me dia eba be say ball no and they respect him a lot because obe call the Moroccan national team no obe ka say ebi mbato no and ebi mu so ho a omuni penalty ni bo pa but omuni say and I'm to see a come a big club on it, yen from a non convert to my and no be him say we there or panel or barber say but or decided or baba panenka ne say obono wan suan ho ade ya udi agwasa beto because one wo bono udi determination na ne say me bono there o say keeper no movie and no see ye bo eto the middle of the goalkeeper area ya the two mfimfin and the keeper say wa movie a obeka say wo bono amoni ye it is what shot to be a play with me boss shot or boss shot na afa be keeper ni gina na bed na keeper na to ho atogu na what game na opponent na e boss na one the moment other men di ba no men di do park ni so what him say na America na otun chese wa ase confidence bi ase him say na bi kon bi aso o se ball no mitimi e den e che no and Ibrahim Diaz page ball na say e don men di a che no and football is sanity and enu na ma team e first the guard opportunity a o mo ni say da bi sa mo ko man ikra no sa o mo ntwataw enti afcon de we do big stage final and enye common so be pour after a lot of games now I could do final because they say ye kan say uhwe omanya ya na omuko san so bedi biam na enye common defending champions there be because so be la Côte d'Ivoire omuso ba ye hu de ye ya bu omuko the same thing the last time Senegal for be around 16 year pam omu enti oje akwa ba bedi biam and this is the time and now say ko bi atimi chese we de meji because Morocco man him do mbasa ba biem Senegal man e bia na mabetuma dija but han na final game so to me say e kwan bia so betuma jama me na say no ade obi o tie chire bia ne ji referee now mo be players not football play professor omu bobo buta ma ya ne ji ho say so African football professor enye gidigidi ne ntokwa ne nyadi ne biem ti say omu kwa abrochie no omu sua ade pa so line up isi akan none of them and a local player until 1 year Juma Sabia and Canagana na bam so go no say san kanan ke bia African football na Sabia local game na ke ban ka bete bam tama bobo ni symptom ni pentam tam ko dia say but ni na no professor say
na a standard organization because omo organizing bia was on point
sure
by the only thing ya said ne referee decision will take you know
referee here I'm say papi tiao apologize say omufan channel because the equity na ya say game no say football emotional game
me question is say nka ball nkomo kono ama bi banka ometu aheda ana omen say
o dabi yetimi ntu iheda biem ball na the final game ya shede tawie no there will be a cost a problem or cap me Morocco for no mo dia ko because penalty na ba be da ho and I said here Provia Liberty FM near station yes about match na yebo they were food be park so Liberty for about station number 3 points 3 goals
okay.
And the same confirm ma biem dia anka ne o ma
gitina penalty
the penalty
I say the ball back to
ne about ni apon enti atense no ane die we free for no professor ye ko cup o he de nkofo ye dia em say na lie says next game we push ni kakra ka with ma kura ni kakra ko we dia ne die ne o form onim say eno akra opponent na course no e don man di APA also dan line so PA the tension na one so ntino
one check
because okwagia asembesi eti football na prof ya kan wasem no we referee a ye do di etina de bia big abofo na make no ye do group stage e o mo mbedi e do fan e mo mbedi ti no Africa ye kan group stage me say games be na koso o senke show obi ono so better referee on that time all tournament na go animu
because we know obeka your first game of the tournament
once no ye kan was
against Comoros
ehu ye ni anye ba okra
what did this match
ye ni anye ba okra
what the opening game e the crossing game
yes eti how many games no die eti o sabe o hwe quarter round 16 semis o mo ya ade no ye do maba because group stage die professor o hwe European football World Cup FIFA for no say o mo referee say o mo di group stage match no ye wie ya na ejo mo kwan na ye fe de attack coach say referee say o mo di o ma ben no ye do mba semis because hono ya na ni bire ho ko we say no we ni pe group stadium ya obi ya twese Morocco for na eji ade na to ho enti wonye referee wa kudura 50 balls bia no obejama wo mu and the professor em say Senegal for no there masa ko for the team no na me ye nyema bi wa nya easy omu team na ye pa and boys no so professor me say one thing a coach ni so ya abo ni say players na fund baby o si akan so we ade nko be start o ebi si akama hospital or bench obi si akama everything o start obi si akama lel o start obi si akama hospital mobi eti obi ase okay Jackson ye yi ne buanfu obi abonfu Sadio Mane mpu yi na anko be die compact so obi tse kuliba eti team we on support so what you just the ball no ni press na chikura na over video the pictures na utimi say bibi wo team nim and look at Morocco for team say oh ye we dey kwan bi ase e beje ye ni ekrom ni e bo no no ma relax
o mo dey ase as we dey per cinema sikuri o ma je
awie eti wi ase nyina e ka no mo so years back o mo ya bakosem be we dey emfi be atwa mo kura no e na ye ta host to e san so je nti we dey ba be fa be no mo say Senegal for no edi tell say also on fa cap no dey come
ma yen hwe countries a omo host to Ariane Pen 1980 when the first time our country be host to omogie Nigeria and the host yes the first AFCON and omo host no omogie and in 1986 Egypt for host year and omo Sansorini year 1996 na South Africa omo so host yi and omogie 1990 na Algeria omo so host yi e Tunisia it was the year 2004 buga omu host to eje the year 2006 Egypt it was to eje the year 2017 Cameroon it was to eje the year 2019 Algeria for host to eje the year 2021 and 2021 how many host here
Senegal Cameroon or visa 2021
Senegal check 2021 say
just Senegal Nigeria
yes Senegal Nigeria but yes, Senegal host check because 2021 check mama.
Yeah, that's Ivory Coast. No, that was 2023.
Ivory Coast is 2023.
2023, yeah.
Check it 2021 mama.
Okay.
Because Senegal for 2021. Na yen share came to omo winning because omo host here.
Yeah, that was Cameroon.
Cameroon host. Oh, okay. You know. I had a my mistake. Yes. 2023 and Ivory Coast host here almost a year. To be a jam saying this year day. Pay name cost to the man Morocco there.
Yeah,
no,
and now I say Morocco for some pressure because almost say a Juma Maka walk up no.
Yeah.
Professor Deus and Mikasa say no Africans for no. Brepa. Send a football is equal. Fan easy. Mekato for past 10 years. You see 6 finals. Blacks no at the 5.
Yeah.
Back up and the other Algerians 2019. Egypt a final against Senegal.
Yeah.
Amfa. Egypt a final you know foul. Na Morocco for better see.
Wow.
The profit to me say the football there. Say na be can say no ne. Say Morocco for the better form on the camera any problem. But Senegal for the to form we are. Ne say that modern stage name. We can for Senegal for be 9 men gina wa. Untimi so we dey born ko true na corner na so mu gade we sere no memo okrumpa nyizi
energy pa
energy so ba bi dia so no tum say otim comments ka kafe no oba mfifi no oba akire o no what da bi spend ye mo boss say take kan ye bo in the West African football ti professor say no might be tournament bi man say o man for say mo kwa professor me say die si nurei e kire wo say enough kono beje no enka ne nti se ne de physicality
na
bokuru na tu kwan
na ko Egypt fonko a
Egypt na gane na but ma de 7 na toaso what you say and no the boost to and Egypt 4G that was the year 2010 80 heading the attested the economy next odi say ya Cote d'Ivoire for no ba ya amfa no professor omo players no ensan ko biem no ma mature
yeah
sanity eti prof yen get yourself prepared because born I can wasem ne de ebi mo ni abre bobra pa ebi su dia go the list of players omu si akanra me say me ansa pe Eduardo Mendini which is Idrissa Gana again Sadio Mane kwa na yin enkwada 2017 21 22 we mu next year obeba no na wa soldier te Sadio Mane professor omu a yesi krom ha yenfo enene Jordan akwa obehia nan enfo enene sepate ko obi gymnastics amaye professor Asem Sebeo ti wasem bonopo ti football na dey prof we kwa ye bompa in case ye tournament bia na qualifiers bia yin show because ne ikusham ko fu mu
ukoshia Senegal wa so
ukoshia Morocco
na enyo omunkwa ukoshia Senegal Morocco ukoshia Nigeria kwa mutimu
easy because yes mutimu no mumbo amina prof ne so mafiri muntem no yintim no mumbo
dabi
yintimi ito mum qualify from good stage ni na de obi no Ghana betum this year because ye wa hoden a cause last time e kwese good stage Mozambique
yes
mbwa Kivet and Egypt yabuye ne betra fi tip off you was on for
okay buga me that's a for seconds we share Man City Man City against Manchester United, right?
Yeah.
Manchester to me won this you.
No, Professor, Debbie dear sanity.
Oh, okay.
Debbie dear. Entina make a chairman say not a fans and say munya botre. Cause it's a quantic in face.
Okay.
Has an Olympics.
A
banner say nipan or we saying na so shia edu Debbia.
Yeah.
Obekasa akwatia pieguno. And a moment in your they say team na Equity City no defensively no me very weak. Unim say me adbo mo Champions League go be 11 players o me starters o me na April.
Wow.
Do not kwa yin register we say se menyo na nya mu aduma what you say. Eti team na don o me very weak. And one thing they o me say prof they be am new manager bounce on they be here aduma.
Yeah.
Say team coach for bar. Hwe senior na omukurubu na mori mu wa na obotre back and then say obo magwa mu Elisano Martinez obo Kobimeno Casemiro ni Bruno ko nya ne 10 ti players do mu pe no o do maji agina and obi aso for baby agina and the Samson in the first game ti make carry go game no boy no share ne there make us a positive kakra home but any kwaso mutu home there because next game will be at Emirates Stadium
against Arsenal.
Tough game obafu free say ya there be now you say adaba ko say prof o modi carry 2-0 no and expectation very higher because oh we dey say dey mu ye
so one year dey cross team ko fa draw
e team ko fa draw and no o mu bisa say Bruno na players ni but so oh artist be mo na Patrick Dogu also Arsenal focus ma dey ganya 3 points na kra wie so okay pa so bo weaker Man City na say professor unya 2 goals amount team because Arsenal team no they are on fire na no omukobo against Nottingham Forest no o mo nso brebre o mo no so man we ya City so abo akolusu a na Arsenal so akọbọ draw the prof United team no dey enye bad but they are carry so with my shine here City team me say over EPL a 4 back 3 back na bi ni obiem 4-3-3 4-2-3-1 na yakoye nim the United ya there but City team omu ball with the team a okuta weaker which is Man City prof
okay buga me that's a party e ba fie are say AFCON no komode e do so week mu there ye be sa de bia ye update ya de be bana ya hwese de ma be se akonti mumyenko Samens aye boutique na yenkope enema pa enso ntose be ya tese ya homfa so se ye ko wedding se ye ko engagement se ye ko yes ye ko officer o team say yes boys enso ne aye tese manfo so betima from yi set entin pa eti Samens aye boutique say oton aye suit eti kwa on summit make suit papa na oso watimi e de ko program ntupe aye 2 pieces aye suit and as 3 pieces suit on summit me akabe na any politicians asofo any tese obi bia o use suit bia okwa on summit me akabe enso Samens aye boutique say open ebia aye short or long sleeves me ba cho on summit me akabe na any suit e mo ba mi saying aye Pacoza Mario Casals Fernando and Marcelano we mu nyina enso ye aye tese aye brand of suit tese penny e fen Samens enso eton na ene so pe aye shoes na se shoes nyasa nke 20 to suit ron na auto shoes kama Italian shoes sanso Paris aye shoes on summit make be half shoes on summit make loafers all kind sanso sneakers ron mumye nkope binton ope sandals ope slippers ope quality aye smoke eno ye feron tese fugu on summit make belt and watches ye ba chawo on summit make men's jeans and just a jeans both a man and member nyina na se men and ladies obese men and ladies and ladies and gentlemen it is some kwa mo summit make be momienkwe na yenkopen tarepa enso chese Samens aye boutique na eneba nso ntimi nkoyi and from a one chese mekom enso ene bay mekom ene bay enso odwena sen aye 0T43 65 46 aye 42 0T46 0T46 6854642 na oni Samens boutique enso atimi atin komora bibia enso atimi akamati abafie na momi hwe afisemne na ye hwe sere ne masego Ghana Premier League no alenso games atimi to dwa March 19 eshase on Friday House of Folk against James FC game no ekoni goal draw bi antimi ahyebi Vision FC ehye kaba ko amediama eko bone ekamenu mebeni Gold Stars against Asante Koroko ekoni goalless draw obi antimi ahyebi sa game no ehon sam so otwe hunyi bebre Kara United ɛntimi ɛhyɛ bi Samates ɛkɔbɔm yɛ ka baako yɛnya Basake Holy Stars ɛhyɛ ka mmienu a ɛyɛ Pɛkyɛ United ɔmo nso ɔmo ntimi ante Out of Lions ɛhyɛ ka baako 11 winners ɛnso antimi ante Young Apostle ɛne Boboko Efe Hɔhɔ United game ɛkɔne ɛkyi sɛ 2-2 draw Bekum Chelsea against Soweto All Blacks ɛkɔne goalless draw bi antimi anhyɛ bi Aduana Stars ɛnso kɔ away against Nations FC obi a antimi anhyɛ bi wei ɛyɛ March day 19 yɛnhyɛ next games a next matches a teams no ɛnso but James FC ɛbɛhyɛ Young Apostle 11 winners ɛbɛhyɛ House of Folk Soweto All Blacks ɛhyɛ Aduana Stars Midjama ɛbɛhyɛ Kara United Samates ɛbɛhyɛ Nations FC Pɛkyɛ United ɛbɛhyɛ Out of Lions Hɔhɔ United ɛbɛhyɛ Vision FC Bekum Chelsea ɛbɛhyɛ Bebeli Gold Stars Asante Kotoko ɛbɛhyɛ Basake ɛyɛ Holy Stars wei ɛyɛ next games ya ɛbɛtotwa ɛwɔ Ghana ɛyɛ Premier League no yɛntwɛ table ne na yɛnhwɛ sɛde ɛnɛma ɛse kɔ ɛwɔ Ghana Premier League no ɛgya tuato paa ɛnyɛ asanketwa ka team say yes ɛnɛma ɛkɔ yie ɛnso ɛdima ɛyɛ team no ɛti na ɔtwɛ table na ɔtimi sɛ ɛsɛ ɛmo ayɛ den Midjama ɛwɔ 40 points ɔno NLD Bebeli Gold Stars ɛtɔ so mmienu ɛwɔ 33 points Aduana Stars ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa ɛwɔ 32 Asante Kotoko ɛtɔ so 9 ɛwɔ 32 points Heart of Folk ɛtɔ so num ɛwɔ 32 points 80 from ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ 10 position ɛbɛsi 5th position ɛyɛ 32 Samates ɛtɔ so nsia ɛwɔ 31 Heart of Lions ɛtɔ so nson ɛwɔ 27 Kara United ɛtɔ so ɛnwɔtwe wɔn 25 James FC ɛtɔ so ɛyɛ kyɛ sɛ nkron a wɔn 20 ɛyɛ 4 points Soweto All Blacks ɛtɔ so 2 ɛwɔ 24 points Nations FC ɛtu baako ɛwɔ 24 points Basake Holy Stars ɛtɔ so ɛtu mmienu ɛwɔ 23 points Pɛkyɛ United ɛtɔ so ɛtu mmiɛnsa 22 points Vision FC ɛtu 22 Young Apostle ɛtu num 22 Bekum Chelsea ɛtu sia 20 Hɔhɔ United ɛtu nso 19 points 11 wonders ɛtwa to ɛwɔ table no so ɛtɔ so ɛtu ɛwɔ a wɔn wɔ just 9 points ɛwɔ table no so ɛtuwei ɛyɛ Ghana Premier League March day 11 and as March day 19 sɛsɛ bi yaba kodi no ɛna mete wasɛm ɛnso dia to dwa ɛwɔ twumɔde so opani a yɛfrɛ Daniel Lai ɛbɛtaakye down na no na otim sɛ yes na nya asanketwa kraa Daniel Lai taakye down no na ɛwɔ sɛ wodin kɔmɔ kakra sɛ opani ɛkɔbɔ adwuma ɛnso ɛdama ɔman kronkron Ghana ɛti Daniel Lai ɛnso ɛba wodin kɔmɔ ɛti yɛbɛtwɛ sɛ sabetima kasa nkɔmɔ no na ɛde ato so na obi a ɛnso ɔtimi ate ɛti Daniel Lai ɔnso ɛkɔte Ghana yɛnim ɛwɔ AFCON Ghana yɛntimi ankɔbi nanso Daniel Lai ɛnso kɔgya Ghana fo nam no ɔtimi sɛ yes wɔn guru wɔn mu ase kraa wɔyɛ adwumaden ɛnso demae ɛti yɛnkɔtwe opani a yɛfrɛ Daniel Lai wɔn nso kɔbɔ adwuma as a referee ɛde wɔn akɔkɔrɔ Ghana ti Daniel Lai ɛde nsɛm nso to nsɛmtwerɛfo ɛbrɛ a wɔtouch it down ɛwɔ Kotoka International Airport.
Nigeria is very upset. They feel you were against them in that particular match because they feel there's a banter between Ghana and Nigeria. Do you think that was the reason they lost?
No, for me, I just do my refereeing. I just I don't listen to what goes in and out of social media, whatever is going on. We just do the laws of the game, and that's all.
Very last one about AFCON. I mean, there was a particular ball that Hakim actually shot the ball right in front of the 80-yard ball. People feel it touched the hand of the defender, the opponent. I mean, what informed the decision? Because everybody feels it was a penalty for Morocco.
No, for me, we have VAR, and with the loss of the game, your hand should be away from your body.
Okay.
But if it's in the natural position and it comes off your body too, then nobody calls this foul.
Great. So, what's the next point in your career as an officiating official?
So we are just moving like this to inspire the next generation, because maybe we can't do all, but the ones looking up to us may come to go to the next level. So we keep doing it.
Wow. How would you overall rate your performance? I mean, in that particular match?
I cannot rate my performance, but all I know is football wins.
Great. You're welcome to Ghana. You did amazing. Thank you.
Okay. Eti wei ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ a Daniel Lai enso ekodi ewo etesebla touch down enso ewo Kotoka International Airport from Morocco say Nigeria against Morocco semi-final no one and officiate side game na otim say yes obe touch down on na ewo say Ghana had say okwa say in case say ye bo okọ bi na say obe touch down pe wo say the kenteni adoa sanso ebehia na ye hwesere ne mabesia konti Denelai ene touch down ti de tie no edibi fa aye incident leto so na ye hwe Kotoko ebo game against aye team ye feron etese be ni Gold Stars na incident bi si abranch fe Sama One ekwohye go bi na okay semo buga
professor na men bukwenie referee for na sa komo na otwe o video na buga o masa komo bi because we say started Friday no hearts need themselves no dream selves for shake clean go but referee say there be offside and they say see what dance park and won kakra and ka bank money be jepa because baller ye to corner na defender ehuri apimbo ahye referee say there be ye impede we keeper no and wonje and professor so what is mbisi ya na enwa pa the video ba kokra sa o de obi aba Facebook bi nwa corner obi e priko akọ defend no ho de okọhye se kwa akọhye defender frechi aba pimbo na tuma referee say foul pe na okọ no o de wo hwe ade we pa de na chese boy foul eti referee for no professor bi mo yo match say and okro no munka bi that's how I see it because say 90 plus something ya pon kra wi eti ball we no so uji go ade ni besiwe baby ya samba free pin ball yi de na chese ball we enye go edi se wa anyi pom de meka se kodokode omo bo game a ya na security man do so mbo cha ase ya na mu do so penti banisa ya na protection was won se samba ebu se referee se ma yeden edi na esinti wa anyi go we eti wodi ebe nyen konfa bo ho ban but uko shada minus na teams nkitu teams na wo achi na Kotoko ni asin ni hobi no security man ka crave no hono na bon say yes what share because so you this year very bad why you trade within bed the whole week look at the kind of huge amount of money o call petrol o beto bibia o beto na say o be kona we free etima deny wa which is very bad and unachi ba akukwa sa de man nezito ko bu referee no oh yes but me man ba me say nezito na ni abre pa
eno na after game no mode omode punishment ediama eye Kotoko
ya jedi bi so to se me hwa de utim se nezito ani abre pa so we de edi asem nie very bad eti yes ni braba ko munim de si ya referee say go ni go on the security man e ba omodo so bebrebe utim nya omohwe but won ko ba be omodo so a obebre eti professor me si aduma na de bia me betra me yemfa to say obi ye Ghana ni wodi Ghana football ya ne odi CAF semi final of the AFCON eti wo no de na wo ye
Julian Nuno
no yes
one officiate
because akumate ba dance park ya akumate obedi game owie no na radio station interview so pa cha opi radio hu sa de na Newcastle ye ni sabet akoba ni sa prof wodi wuti ko tumanya wuti duma ko interview na de wonya nteri di muso eti oba prof you want me say be kasa duma wo ye no e part time job me boa enye duma ye waduma wo ye ne dada eti wo weekends pa ko di game ba ko no ti we pa game ko di ye na prof mane masare ye che obu wo a ti be pa cho ne Monday
so we no ye against the away team so ko yetia e the home side na na kana
nka bia ho be kire eti wende onya otire because James no wete won kanye ne what the game a chepa be prof media meka say ye football na football na videos na ba na TikTok na da you know bibia be ye bia no na e ko nanim because e ba ne sa eno wankasa it's Saudi very bad go game we there for bibia no just game na nyego eti ba ne sia na bi mo say and brand show mo nsam a na football de bia e kan wasam say referee for ne say no na e ya ye no kro because Hana suppose ba ye hu referee a bi mo je nkukọ what you say bi mo je niam che mu socks on eti de wo ye mebi na bedwe se pani de wo ye de bi mo ntiase o say abene free poase ba se bi e free kakra wa de na what you say because we no bi ehun
etiwe no wo suspect something ana
me suspect bibia bet say oye sa amanfo mentality be ko se ebi asipa me achi referee sa no mu oda suban ni mu a no mu ye because yetim bobo obi achi amba ye kasa otumpo ne penalty me agi penalty Ahmed Adams
eno na ye a dance pack ya kotoba against maybe any Gold Stars
eti ehonum ne ya ye baby a de bia ho besi aka ho bia no na problem ba ko we ne de prof me say
me hu me share ade bi wa hanemo edi bi safa first video de to so eti buga de wi a me share wo so hwe ne sama me na me fa de me hu ye ne enchiraw e bia ena referee base on but so wo hwe a ho tema obebo no obi pia Gold Star player ba eno no enchira nye
baby keeper no pia
yes
and dey on baby na keeper no edu a pause me we keeper no onu na pia
yes keeper na pia
yes ni player to kene sana bi abo na bo betuma dey eche no and to the moment o pia to twini ye no oba na china bo na sinachi awie sana ne koye yes
it referee no
referee nim say eye kotoko player di bi na pia bi Gold Star player to twini yes and o je but I say no inti kwachi o che o so bona no ono ni play o so na chise no pia to twene so na bia bo no betuma achene because on se na play players mienu enti say kotoko player gina ho e na Gold Star player jonti so bon e ba o timi strategy ni bo no enti ne o pia player to twene a o betuma yi bo no momenta o pia na dwin na wo ni player no o pia no so to pia to twene ne sa ho de no de be pia no de o de be sa be kire be ka God and what in a piano in a way. And I'm one of the so much.
Tell me, Obese, recover, go, yes, when young, what is a pianache? Eti, Paul and Eddie Manancosa, Eddie, born a dear, Professor, thinks a clean any. Oh, and all not watching. Yes.
It's your one a pure place, one a pure player to me. On one D, or sorry, or Pierre to Triano, who's a born every whole years. Nice, some are swapping
because every crop back one paper now. Corobe to me.
Oh yeah, I don't know about you got the same position as I.
Abda ball endu samba ho.
Sanity. Come yes. E to the ball na ba o say we protect you. Two for the guy.
Yes.
E one about now. E one about now. Keeper na the course Emmanuel Kobi. Ono na course here.
Opia player no. Come on and Sunny Bana. Ne samba recover no. That's a bona do.
Bona do. E ti baba bia ball na e de e no na traction no.
Yes.
It to one to 3 year no.
The correct pa.
We the boy yes. Inu ani.
No ajamu yanko.
So isi. Ene wo pia na traction no. To pia na samba abepin bo na sinaji. Eti ebo we die na we furu ka say e fa o dia.
Kwa na mo problem say. On say referee betimi aye error. But you have an assistant.
Na go follow mo no say there.
Yes. You will like one like two a mo nyina support.
Sanity. Eti obi ehun. Hwe ene wo so ban. Opia na gwan so no pia gwan na so pia no.
Ena onu pia no. Ena bebelu Gold Star player ba ko san so be pia no to from back.
Neta mo de na sa.
Yes, I want na sa.
Isi he.
Whatever.
O wona track.
Onu player ba ko na sa pia to.
On say de ko ni say, on say na player ba ko so ni player danim. Ko to player. E do ni mo pia no nu sa anko.
Yeah.
Inu sa na dan ho sa be gina ko bia ni na no player no e ko to e. There's a clean boy with my point boy. You dey you wani mo so ati ase. Say you abafu nyina ho.
Yeah.
Ateta omu throw ball na mutu kona. Obi shake keeper danim. But we the keeper no nyabotre. So be point adem e ba yi to twene. Ukopia player to atwen be nyabotre na woni ball ba bi efa. The prof openia na aye. We clean go.
Okay. Ose freble na forward bench de na yenhwe. Na yenkwere bench na ye sorry area free dwumadi ni so. Na bia nso atime kama 053630 4072 0322296342 Asante Kroko ebo goalless draw South House of Folk and Subo goalless draw 1873 me ba cho na bia kasafi.
Wow.
Yes sir. Adwe me ba cho Manu.
Mo papa
Aja Peter beton kanche.
Yo me wa papa.
Enyam yaso mi tie we.
Pa fu di bisa akolo akona wiye enya.
Yeah.
Enya shese de ball no me da ne. Boy na.
kwala semina no odi. Na so come support Morocco.
Yeah.
I come na Senegal mo ana ma ba mo mo din o ma tin ade AFCON no. Da ma so o ma ya de ndo.
That should be a goal. That should be a goal. There is no infringement. There is no foul in there. That should be a clear goal for Asante Kotoko.
Yes, or say no or support Morocco. Me kwara me support Morocco. But time wa referee start here in Yamano. And I'm support every Morocco for chi. West Africa tima and as a country Senegal. O team say yes, o mabo humodi yipa. Me ba cho no bia kasafi.
Pushing across or somebody want to talk to them.
I'm from
Nelson Santa referee.
Fanboy mba chuma minti we.
Was pushing across the team when you go to the man Santa Kotoko.
Yes, you know, again, say,
that should be a goal. That should be a goal. There is no infringement. There is no foul in there. That should be a clear goal for Asante Kotoko. And the manager,
but the Uti, say referee so what, Guinea. Yeah, who to say? I don't think you assistant referee also a supporting on the just what I say. If so, what Guinea to a bit more consult assistant say. Medium musician say the second house to send out soon. And when you assistant referee, almost supported center referee. Yes. Yet also wabin chile eno. Okay, eti also Frebena yenkwedim eso.
That should be a goal. There is no infringement. There is no foul in there. That should be a clear goal for Asante Kotoko.
I know Senegal born on Senegal. Why a distant player, Papa? I know where I did. I know
Cardigo.
And see, you're born about so. Okay. Man, I idea.
Mr. Medasipa. Okay. 80 also ebo Sadio Mane. Yes, indeed. Senegal omo ewo team Papa Panyasa Ketokaya. Morocco so nyabad upon so my team engineer no mo performance nyabad kra. 80 ye fa nipa bi be tu bia ka ona say ya sorry na che say e news afọ and so ultimate at about 0536304072 03229634 na also the wa dwenchira about show so na bia so atime kama enso ho eti ba me fa me na scholar hello.
That should be a goal. That should be a goal. There is no infringement. There is no foul in there. That should be a clear goal for Asante Kotoko.
Okay. Medasipa. Eti was it Daniela Ghana and Kobe. Nanso dia Ghana ya kwaji wa tournament wiase no. Hey. Na when me say enye wono nko a enu aso na Stone Boy so ho. Enu aso Stone Boy so ko perform kama pa. Ti Ghana ya Kobe na no. Na o timi say yes AFCON no ye din dimu tintimai pa. Be ba choduma bia okasafi.